There is yet another viral video of a teacher in the classroom, but there are smiles in the education sector this evening because unlike last Friday, the story ends differently. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has the details.
Another teacher caught on camera in the act, but this time it ends well. This is Elvis Salter, a singing science teacher at Dembeha in Clarendon. The video was recorded last Monday, a day after her birthday. Colleagues, students, and even parents had plans for her. Miss Salter was put in a visibly bubbly mood, and the video uploaded to Twitter on Thursday is evidence.
For years I've been singing that I love children, so the excitement, anything to excite them, I've been doing it. But teaching this particular song, I've been using it. I used it last year to teach the grade 7s last year, and I love it. I couldn't wait to use it this year.
When we visited today, she was still glowing from the overwhelming support. But students now want more.
And when I go to the class, they're so excited to see me. And if I don't sing or dance, Miss, I'm not dancing and not singing today.
Colleagues and superiors have been encouraging.
Sometimes I worry that I'm disturbing the classes next door, but for most of them are supportive. They're saying, Salt, I may not have your energy any at all.
Janice Jalal is principal.
We are happy to showcase the fact that our teachers here at Denby High School are always willing to go above and beyond to ensure that there are partnerships taking place, home, school, and we want to always build relationships with our students. Ms. Salter is one of our teachers who is a strong believer in building those kinds of good relationships with parents and students.
Ms. Salter is hoping the video inspires other teachers.
If we don't instill passion, love, loyalty, kindness into them, how are they going to learn this if we don't show it? So we have to model all these things from now, that we can have a generation of people who show love, care, passion, and loyalty. So I'm building my students for tomorrow.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.